Hi, this is Module 3 that we're working on, and in this module you're going to learn about how digital technology has changed the way that we teach. There's always new technologies emerging, whether it's software, hardware, or websites, applications, and so the ways that we teach have also changed because of the digitalization of content. So, as a teacher, you're going to have to adjust some of the traditional learning styles that you grew up with, even if you are in your late teens or early 20s, you've still been very much exposed to a lot of traditional teaching, the lecture methodology. But that is changing rapidly. So, what you're going to do this week is you're going to learn about things like, yes, there are lectures, but what about recording your lecture and flipping the classroom? Um, so there's some required readings. You're going to read several articles on new ways of doing things, what the digital age has done to the classroom, how we're more connected than we used to do. There's a video on digital relearning that is really good. One of the tips that I'm going to recommend is that you take notes and jot down ideas and concepts that you want to remember. I know that in today's digital age that we want to do everything using a computer or laptop, but I have actually found, and studies have shown, that if you handwrite your notes, that you're actually better able to remember and synthesize them. So what I do is I sit with a notebook and I actually jot down notes. I still highlight just like I would in a textbook, using, like Adobe Reader. You can do highlighted text. But things that I want to remember while I'm reading for tests, I still handwrite. And that really has not been shown to change much yet. It might in the future, but right now people still learn better when they handwrite. So that's one thing that I want to give you as a tip. Another thing that I would like you to do or think about is to bookmark any resources that you see on the internet for your future classroom or for future remembrance. Collecting ideas as a teacher is kind of what we do. So we collect resources and evaluate them. So you may want to hold on to some of these things. One tool that I like to use is LiveBinder. I know that some people like to use Digo. There's Pinterest, which I love. You can also collect resources on the internet just using bookmarks in your browser. If you have any questions, don't forget you can always post them to the discussion board. And we do have a discussion board this week, so I look forward to chatting with you. Have a great week and enjoy.